Simple outlines can create a modern design without making the layout feel heavy. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Pick a clean background color, then search for outline shapes in the Elements panel. Add outlined circles, rectangles, or abstract frames around your product to create structure while keeping the design minimal. Upload your product image and position it so the outline shapes naturally draw attention toward it. Add a bold headline, product description, pricing, and a call to action using clean typography. Use 1 or 2 accent colors for the outlines to maintain a consistent visual style. Adjust